Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. This is the Freewing 70mm Red Arrows BAE Hawk, and it's a British Royal Air Force flight trainer and an aerobatic team, and we're going to take it up and have a little fun. I got a KM Models afterburner in there. Turn the motor on. You see it? All right. Probably won't need flaps today, as given as windy as it is right now. Gonna fly her on my IX-14 for the first time, and my rates are 75. High rates are 90 with 30% expo, mid are 75 with 30% expo, and low are 60 with 30% expo. So there we go. And what's something really cool to look on the screen, I was able to go on there, go to the Freewing or the Motion RC, copied and paste their stock photo of the BAE Hawk or a Freewing BAE Hawk, and put it on the screen there, which I just think that's just a cool little, I mean, it doesn't take away or add to the flying experience, but it's just cool to look at. It's just a neat thing. All right, it is windy, so we're gonna have to pick and choose, and it's a little bit cross runway. All right, great flying little plane. I did take the drop tank off because of a little bit of a cross breeze. All right, here we go.
Gear up.
Good looking plane right there. Running a 7-channel Women RX stabilized receiver.
Gear down.
Let me make sure
Remaining 3 minutes.
Make sure my gear is down before I come by. And it is. I'm going to have to use flaps, even with the wind.
Take off flaps.
Do take off flaps. Maybe that'll slow me down just a little bit more. Nope.
Flaps up.
I want to get out here.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
There we go.
Flaps up.
Basically, the reason I get out here is I want to line up that landing because I got a cross breeze, and with my dimension, or my dementia, no making fun of people's dimension, but with my depth perception and how the plane looks to me, I want to look right down the runway and see it coming at me, and I can better tell how level my wings are, because if I'm back there at the fence, it's kind of a skewed view for me. It's harder for me to tell how level my wings are. So when I've got a kind of a touchy landing with a cross breeze, I want to look right down at them wings level. So that's the reason I do. I know with practice, back in a better spot would be what I should be doing, but there again, I'm flying this plane through my wallet, you know. This plane's $309 and I paid $309, so. But definitely don't need takeoff flaps taking off.
You're up.
All right. Honestly, for jets, especially these more expensive ones, I just need to stay right out here. I know it blocks a little bit of the shot.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps.
And unfortunately, we're only going to get the 2 takeoffs and landings.
Flaps up.
Didn't like it.
20 seconds. Landing flaps. Timer expired. Braking.
Oh yeah. She's got thrust reverse.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Braking.
All right. Let's see how much time or how much juice is left in the tank. All right. Oh. All right. 18 seconds over on a 3 minute and 50, so 4 minutes and 8 seconds total. Battery's a little bit warm, but not bad at all. Not bad, 48% left on that. Now I have this KM model afterburner, which I like them better than the Freewing ones. Don't get me wrong, the Freewing afterburners are solid, good burners, but they're just not as bright. So I like the KM model afterburners instead. And just a good looking plane. Got that landing light there in the front, got your nav lights, and of course then with the afterburner, I've got all, you know, all the different areas of orientation that really help. Let me show you, let me get a little closer. All right. There's not a blue box, so your gear go up and down pretty darn quick, so you don't, so planning your landing is not so bad. There is a drop tank that goes here, but I don't have it off. I mean, I have it off. And to show you my setup inside, that is the 4000 HRB. It has a 50C or 60C discharge, if I remember right. And that is the 7-channel Lemon RX stabilizer receiver. Now, it's just wind mitigation, doesn't have self-level, okay? Just stabilizer. And when you add an afterburner to this plane, you get lights on all 4 corners now, or all 4 areas, and just a good plane. Now that your antenna, this is sharp, and I can just see nosing in and ripping that off, so that just pressure fits in. I got a little hole, hole in the foam there, so I just put it inside. That way I don't break it off. Just a little pro tip that I don't charge extra for. Well, folks, that is the Freewing BAE Hawk Red Arrow. Great flying plane. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then red arrows. Bye-bye.